I think I know what this throw represents. It represents a person on one side and a bird on the other. The person's face is right here. The person's eye is here. Its nose is here. Its mouth is right here. This berry represents its chin. These berries are decorative. I think it's interesting that these three berries kind of take on the shape of a horoscope sign. The spiral pasta that is on the person's head represents hair. These two berries are decorative. It looks like the person has a cone on their head. The cone is here. And so, yeah.